Hi everyone, my name is Maddie coming to you from the Children's Museum Houston. I'm so excited to be here today because I'm going to show you an important part of the Dia de los Muertos tradition, or the Day of the Dead, and that is how to make an ofrenda, or an altar. Making an ofrenda is how we honor those who are no longer here with us, and it is also how we invite them to come visit us on November 2nd. So let's get started. So first you need a table or some sort of flat surface where you can make your ofrenda. And I'm going to start by putting a white tablecloth on it. White represents purity and innocence. Next, you're going to put up the pictures of those who are no longer here with us so that they know that this altar is for them. You'll also need a cup of water because they're going to be thirsty after their long journey back to Earth. And they'll also be hungry, so you can put out pan de muerto, or bread of the dead, which is typical to put on altars in Mexico. And you might also want to put out their favorite snack or candy. And you'll want to have a candle or two. You can put out as many as you want and light them up so that they can find their way home. And then every altar always has papel picado, or cut paper. This was literally made with napkins, colored napkins. You can also add an angel or a cross to watch over the altar. Next, you'll want to add some flowers. The typical Dia de los Muertos flower is cempasúchil, or marigolds. I don't have any, so I brought my paper flowers with me. And then you can also add some of their favorite things. Music, my grandma loved cats, anything that they will miss and that they'll be able to experience when they come back to visit. The sugar skulls are important because this is what our ancestors resorted to after the Spaniards came to Mesoamerica, and they prohibited them from putting skulls on their altars. So they decided to keep the tradition going by just making sugar skulls instead. So we decorate the sugar skulls with colorful piping and put them on the altars. And there you have the basic components on how to make your altar for Dia de los Muertos. Of course, there are many other things you can add, many other things that people from different cities add to their altars that they think are essential for their altars. But really, you can add whatever you'd like, whatever you think represents those who are no longer here with you. Anything that you can be as elaborate or as simple as you want. It really doesn't matter. All that matters is that you're honoring those that are no longer here with us on Earth, and you're inviting them to come back and visit you on November 2nd. My name is Maddie Torres, and I hope you enjoyed learning about Dia de los Muertos and how to make your own altar. And I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye!